Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to disable direct messages on Quora. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Quora application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Quora? You can find Quora on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Quora, and once you type Quora, follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account details or to create a new account entirely. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Quora. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to disable direct messages on Quora. From this homepage, I'd like you to get over to the top left corner of your screen and click on your profile icon in there. And that takes you here where you have messages, monetization, your content and stats, bookmarks, and drafts. So if you go down or if you look downwards, you're going to see settings. So I'd like you to go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, it takes you here where you have account, privacy, email and notifications, languages, Quora, space subscriptions, and display. So go ahead and click on privacy. Once you click on privacy, you're going to see a couple categories which include privacy policy, that's allow search and use to index your name, allow other content recommendations, allow your profile to be discovered by email, allow large language models to be trained on your content. And down the second category is inbox preferences, which is the core of this tutorial. So who can send you messages? You can either say anyone on Quora, or you can say people I follow and admins and moderators of spaces I follow. Or if you want to disable direct messages, just go ahead and click on no one. So no one meaning no one can send you a direct message on Quora. So this is pretty much the process. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.